Tuesday. I'm starting this vlog on a Tuesday today, and I'm finally going back to the gym after like the longest time off in a while. So this is like project comeback because I haven't gone in like almost 2 weeks, which that's a long time for me. So we're gonna do leg day. I'm not gonna push myself too hard, so this will probably be a good like beginners starting out lifting weights like routine, because I'm not gonna go too heavy or do too much because I don't want to not be able to move my legs. And I also have an exciting announcement that I'm gonna say after this workout. But anyways, let's go and work out. Hello everybody! So you guys just finished watching my workout section, and maybe you're wondering, I wonder where she got those leggings. Well, I have a super exciting announcement, and this is my first ever thing I've done like this, which is like a collaboration. Yeah, I collabed and helped design a pair of leggings, which are these puppies. I've been hiding these as a secret for like a couple months now, and I'm so excited about them because I'm obsessed with them and I helped design them and they're amazing. So these are them. They are called the Refresh leggings. I worked with the company Edsful. They're an Australian company and they're so amazing, and these leggings are like everything that I could ever dream of having. First off, we'll talk about the color. You guys know green is my absolute favorite color. I am an earth sign, I'm a Taurus, and I've always loved the color green. Personally, I just love it. It's so, like, it just connects you to like nature. I just love the color green. Everything that green has to do with, I love. Nature, grapes, grass. It's just like a very refreshing color that just makes me feel good, and that's why I wanted to put them in this green. It's kind of like a muted green color, as you can see. I didn't want anything like too neon because that's not me. I don't like in your face. I mean, I do like neon green. I'm kind of like getting towards it, but anyways, these I just love the color of them. They're high-waisted. They have this really nice waistband that stays up right, it hits like right at your belly button. I don't like things that are too high-waisted personally in the gym, so I want it to not be too high, but obviously not low rise. It's super supportive and keeps everything in place. And then on the one side we have the design. So Esfil's leggings typically have this like striping whatnot on one leg, and I really liked that. I didn't want to like take away from that. I liked that design, but I added my own little star because you guys know I love moons and stars. So I was like, I want to add a little bit something different. So they did a little cutout of a star on the one, which I really like, and I'm just obsessed with these. They are 100% squat proof. You guys watched me work out in them. They're amazing. They're squat proof. They stay up. They hold everything in place. They have a 4-way stretch material, so they literally stretch in every direction, which is perfect, but they don't get like looser as you're working out, which a lot of leggings I find do that. And no, these are just like amazing quality and exactly what I look for. I work out in them all the freaking time. I named them the Refresh leggings. I could have named them the Chelsea leggings, but I was like, nah, that's too basic. So I named them the Refresh leggings, and the reason I named them that is I like the concept of refreshing your life. I've always found that when I get new workout clothes, it really motivates me to go to the gym. I know that's kind of like a weird thing to say, but it does. Getting cute workout clothes motivates you, and it like refreshes your brain and your life. And I like the idea, like, refresh your wardrobe, refresh your life, refresh your workouts, refresh your routine. I don't know, I just really liked it. And green is also a color that I associate with being like refreshing. Is that weird? I don't know. To me it made sense. I hope it makes sense to you guys too. So they retail for 64 US dollars, which is about, I think, 85 Canadian with the exchange rate, which I know is expensive, but in order to create a really good legging, they did have to be a bit more money. I didn't want to freaking make them crap and then sell them for cheap, and then they're not something that you can actually work out in. When it comes to workout clothes, they're definitely something that you can invest in. I spend big money on workout clothes because you need them to be good, because you need them to be sweat proof, workout proof, squat proof, all that kind of stuff, and so you need good fabrics. So that's why I'm obsessed with these. They are amazing. So there's a bunch of information regarding returns and shipping and all that, and I'm gonna have all that down below, as well as a link to shop them if you guys want to support me. I do make commission off of the sales of these, obviously, because I'm collaborating with the brand. You guys know how that works. So I make a commission off of them. So if you guys want to support me and you need some new workout leggings, it would be amazing if you bought these. I would be so happy, and I'm just so excited. I've never collabed on anything before. I'm so happy that my first collab ever had to do with health and fitness, because that's like my favorite thing and my favorite thing that I talk about on my channel. So I'm so happy about that, and I hope you guys like them as much as I like them. And yeah, I'm gonna include some shots of me wearing them. I'll show you guys them in the mirror so you guys can see how they look like on. But yeah, I'm just really excited, and I hope you guys are excited for me. And yeah, I hope I'm not forgetting to say anything. I don't think that I am. And they do ship worldwide. You guys were wondering. All right, so these are them on me. I'm wearing an extra small. I believe they come in size extra small, small, medium, and large. So this is the extra small on me. Size wise, my waist is like a 23, and it fits me on the waist, and they fit everywhere. 0 to size 2 to 3. I don't know. I'd probably get the extra small, because with leggings, I know it's kind of always better to have them tight than too big. So these are them with the stripes on the one leg. So yeah, that's my little show and tell. I'm not gonna like blab on about them for the rest of this vlog, but I'm really excited. And if you guys want to support me, again, I'm gonna have the link down below so you guys can shop them. They're officially live, and I'm so excited. Hello everybody, and happy Thursday. I'm filming this on a different camera. This is my Canon EOS M50. I want to know if you guys like this quality better or not than my G7X. I don't know if there's a difference. I've never really filmed on this camera before. I got it a while ago. The only thing is the viewfinder's on this side, which is like confusing me because I feel like I'm looking over here, which I need to not do. I need to look right here. But it's like distracting. This camera is obviously bigger, you guys can see, and it's heavier, but I feel like the quality might be better. It's not too big. It's not like a DSLR. Well, it's kind of like a mini one or something like that. But let me know what you guys think of this quality. Do you like it? Do you prefer it? Because if that is the case, I will film the majority of my vlog with this camera, and I'll only use my G7X when I need a smaller one, like at the gym. I'm going out for coffee with my friend Maddie, who I haven't seen in a while. And yeah, somebody just commented on my last video ripping on my hair, which I know the haircut is not the best, okay? I realize that. I'm trying to grow it out, so you don't need to comment on it because I'm already subconscious. And I think people forget that I read all my comments, so when people insult me, I get a little bit emotional, especially when it's that time of the month, if you know what I mean. So I may have cried a little bit, so yeah. Still no foundation, still doing that no foundation kick. So I just have concealer on, cream. I've been loving like cream blush, bronzer, and highlights. This is all cream products on my cheeks. I powdered a bit. My self tanner went a little funky on my forehead, so ignore that. And I put in the Kush brow gel. This one is in the darkest color and I really like it. So that's just brow gel. I think it looks pretty good. And then my lips are the Laneige lip balm things. You guys know how much I'm obsessed with these things. If you haven't got these yet, you need to. I don't like wearing lipstick. I used to like wearing lipstick. Now I absolutely despise it. So these things are coming in clutch for me because they just look like you have lip gloss on. And then also another thing I've been loving is brown eyeliner. I got the Tattoo eyeliner in Mad Max Brown by Kat Von D, and I've been loving that way more over black. And then of course I'm just back on my Kush mascara by Milk Makeup, and yeah, because I love it. But yeah, let me know what you think of this quality. Okay, I'm gonna go downstairs. Yay. Okay, bye. Guys, this is my outfit. Put a lot of effort in today, as you can tell. So much. So I'm just wearing this sweater from Zara. These jeans are Levi's that I always wear. You guys always ask me. They're Levi's. I got them from Aritzia. And white sneakers. Fashion freaking icon right here. Fashion icon. Definitely made my outfit even better by pulling out the Canadian tuxedo. Denim on denim, baby. Let's freaking go. Also, my hair is just, it's not, you know, it's just, it's, doing its thing, you know? Okay guys, I'm about to go to the train station to meet Carolyn, and then we're going to an event at Ripley's Aquarium, which is gonna be pretty darn fun. I'm excited. So this is what I'm wearing. I'm just wearing black jeans, my Docs, this bodysuit, and then my camo jacket that's from Boohoo. I wish it wasn't like lined like white in here. That kind of ruins my vibe, but whatever, we're dealing with it. And yeah, this is what I'm wearing. And let's go try some alcoholic beverages with the fish. Hello, we've made it to the aquarium. We have our drinks.
Tacos?
Oh, tacos.
Yeah, definitely.
Yes.
For sure.
They're actually roasted cauliflower. They're vegan.
Wow.
Meatless, yeah.
Is everything tacos?
No, there's more. There's downstairs.
Oh.
So I don't know what that menu is.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
You can keep it.
Tacos.
So good. Great texture. Amazing texture. And into it. Oh my god.
I like don't want to eat it. I eat it.
He literally came out of nowhere. I'm like, Bugger, here's tacos? I'm like, yes. Wait, you're actually the cutest mermaid.
Pretty.
We're moving in slow motion. Get it?
I feel like I can do this.
A moonwalk. A moonwalk. Oh my god.
I don't think he likes me. He's been falling.
Oh my god. Shark bait. I'm back from the gym, but I thought that I would show you guys what I got in the Sephora VIB sale. And it's no makeup. I got solely hair products because we're trying to repair my dead hair. So I got a bunch of stuff. I'm gonna show it to you. So this is everything that I got. These are some of my favorites and new things that I'm trying. So one of my favorites that I already know I love is the Brogio. Oh my God, focus. Are you serious right now? The Brogio Don't Despair Repair a Deep Conditioning Mask. This thing is amazing. I love it. So I got another one of those. I used a whole one of them. Then another thing that I have used before and love is the Olaplex Hair Perfector. It's like a bond sealer, hair strengthener kind of thing. Hair mask repair system. I don't even know, but I use this pretty often and it really helps with your hair if it's dead. Then I also wanted to try this because it had really good reviews. It's the Olaplex Bond Smoother. So it's like a leave-in reparative styling cream. I also got the Dry Bar Prime and Prep Detangler, which is like a heat protectant as well. Oh, I'm not even filming it. Here it is. And then I also got a new hair oil because this one has such good reviews. It is the Kerastase Elixir Ultimate. So that's supposed to be really good too. So these are all of my hair goodies that I got for myself. So guys, I just got ready. I'm going out tonight for my friend Garrett's birthday. So I am dressed. We're going to a rock bar, so I did my hair in these cute little like space bond things. Let me know if you guys like them or not. I just thought they were different and fun. But I'll show you guys my outfit. It's kind of dark in here. Hopefully you can like see. Can you see? Kind of. It's dark. But I'm wearing that dress that I showed you guys earlier. Okay, what is this lighting? I'm wearing this dress that is from Princess Polly, and then this leather jacket is from Zara. My bag is from Zara, and then I'm wearing my heeled sock kind of booties things. And my hair, like I said, is in those space bun things. And yeah, I'm not gonna vlog because I'm just gonna have fun, but if I have any Snapchats, I will insert them after this so you guys can see what we got up to. But yeah, I'm excited and I really like my outfit tonight. I feel very like fun and fresh and flirty. But yeah, off we go. Good morning everybody and happy Sunday. So I had some Snapchats from Friday night, but I feel like everybody was a little intoxicated and I don't really know if I want to put that on YouTube. So not posting that, but I had a good weekend. It's Sunday now. It's a beautiful day out today. It's sunny and just literally the nicest day. But I'm gonna end this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new and give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And yeah, I love you all so much, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.